Hi, and welcome to the overview of Troubleshooting Python Application Development. My name is Rudy, and this is a course by Pact Publishing. Let me introduce the course. The course is taught by me. I have 6 years of experience in data science. I have deep technical experience with quantitative trading and statistical modeling. I'm currently building natural language generation technology. Let's get an overview of this course. This course's purpose is to help you write Python applications that are more performant, both in terms of time and the amount of memory it takes to perform some business logic. First, we're going to look at how we can locate root causes of why your application is slow, or maybe it's like not running out of memory, by locating root causes using benchmarking and profiling tools in Python. We then talk about Python idioms for faster code. So this is things you can do with just raw Python that makes your Python programs faster. And then we talk about tackling long-running loops on big lists with NumPy, which is a third-party library that is specifically designed for scientific computing and big data analysis. We then talk about how we can speed up our I/O-heavy tasks with concurrent programming, and then making our apps run faster with parallel programming. We conclude by how we can organize our code better using object-oriented programming. Prerequisites. We expect you to have basic understanding of programming, so any programming is fine. Some understanding of Python is assumed, but Python is a very easy language, so I'm sure you can pick this up. The core of this course is about teaching you principles and strategies of which how you can make your Python programs more performant. There are 3 goals in this course. We want to cover common Python application development problems documented online. So we are aggregating sources online, such as Stack Overflow, Medium, and GitHub, and then fusing it into one coherent course that teaches you things that you would most likely see when you're doing a Python application that is out in production and used by real users. Each video is constructed in a problem solution format, making it easy to understand the problem and then grasp the solution. And we also give you tried and tested solutions to solve for speeding up your Python code or reducing the memory footprint. Without further ado, let's start.